So here's a breakdown of how XRP could become more valuable. Number one, and this is probably the most important one, compliance with global financial standards. Right now, XRP is one of the few cryptocurrencies that aligns with something called ISO 20022. Now think of this as the language of the banks. If a technology does not speak this language, then it can't be part of the banking system. XRP speaks this language. In fact, Ripple is listed as one of the companies that is in compliance with this. And that makes RippleNet and XRP an attractive option to central banks looking to modernize their systems for the upcoming financial transition. Because by 2025, this ISO 20022 will become a mandatory standard for cross-border payments, meaning every bank will need to speak that language by 2025. And XRP could position itself as a go-to solution for banks that need a compliant, efficient, and scalable digital asset for payments. Now, to be fair though, XRP is not the only cryptocurrency that speaks this language, but it is one of the few, if not the only one, that speaks this language and works really closely with regulators on becoming compliant. And it's this ability to speak the language and compliancy that opens it up to huge opportunities like reason number two. And that's Ripple's ODL, short for on-demand liquidity. So when countries want to send money to each other back and forth, banks need to hold a huge amount of money in foreign currency in a pre-funded account known as Nostro accounts across multiple jurisdictions. Now, this system, though, isn't very good because it ties up hundreds of billions of dollars. And if I'm a bank, I don't necessarily want all that money tied up in another country's currency because I could be putting it to more productive use, I could lend it out, and that leads to high costs and slow settlement times. XRP allows it so that there's no need for these pre-funded accounts by acting as a bridge between two fiat currencies. So the theory is, if RippleNet continues to gain adoption between banks, which is pretty much simple now that the lawsuit is over and we have pro-crypto regulators in place, and that should be easier, the demand for XRP, the cryptocurrency as a bridge currency, could increase. Ripple has already partnered with financial institutions in over 55 countries, and if the network continues to grow, XRP could become an important part of this international liquidity.